Hi guys. In the previous videos, we have seen about Office 365, Microsoft 365. Then we have seen about the deployment methods, and we also have seen how to set up the Office 365 for your organization. So now in this video, we will see about the comparison. There are a lot of plans available, but I have taken the very high level plans, which we normally, or I would say, I have taken the major plans, which normally we sell to the customers, because these are the plans are highly popular and it covers all the requirement of the customer. Okay, so let's understand it. So these plans we can categorize in the two area. One is a SMB, small medium business, and then LG. Okay, I would say enterprise group. Okay, there are two plans available for this two type of organization. Okay, when you say the SMB, so they have a limited ask, right? They don't look for the unlimited users. They look for the plan for limited users. Okay, may they have different department also. So based on that, you can suggest that plans. So now, if you see this, right, there is a Microsoft 365 business. So this business contains business basic, business standard, business premium. And if you see this plan of the cost is around $6 per month, then $12 and $22, right? And these plans are specially designed for SMB. So when I say SMB means, if you see the number of users, so if your in your company department have less than 300 employees or up to 300 employees, then you can suggest these plans. So these plans is only supportable up to 300. If it goes beyond that, or you need more high level of plans, then you have to go to the enterprise level. Okay, so we will not talk about that at this moment. We will only cover the basic, standard and premium, and what it offers to the customer if you are SMB customers, that we will see today. So now, if it's the pricing I have just talked about, then core details. Core details means the users, how many users supports. You can see it supports 300 users. So if you have that requirement, then you can go with this plan. Then once you take this plan, right, you need to find how to access the your mails, right? So how to access the office, right? In this case, you can see the office online is available in all the three plans: basic, standard and premium. Now about desktop app. So now if you want to access these mails in the offline mode through the your app, desktop app like Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote also. So basic will not offer that to you to access that documents offline. But if you take it as standard plan and premium plan, then definitely it offer you. So you can go with that plan if you really have that requirement. A customer normally asks for it. They want to access the files offline or online. Okay, so you have to collect the data from the customer. Based on that, you can take a decision over here. Now, if you want to access the mails, you want to access the your documents through mobile, right? So this plan offers the same functionality. So if you want to access it, then basic, standard, premium offer you this option. So you can take any one of the plan if you want your customer to access the document or mails through mobile. Now going to next section, installation of app up to the 5 pieces. In this plan, if you see this is cover the 5 pieces, tablets, smartphones. Okay, so the limitation, right? If you basic, it will not offer you up to the five PC. It offer up for one, but not for five. But your standard and premium can offer you that you can go up to 5 PCs, five tablet, and five smart modes. So that is optional given by them. Now moving next about Microsoft 8 or Premium. So it is not available into the basic, but you will get this plan in the standard and premium. Now exchange email. So if you take the exchange, right, then for basic you will get up to 50 GB of space. Okay, 50 GB of space is enough for per user. Similarly, this size is consistent or common for standard and premium as well. When you go to the archiving, in the archiving you can see again you will get 50 GB. So 50 GB mails you can archive for longer duration. 50 GB is also available in standard. For premium, it offers you the 1.5 terabyte. So it is high capacity they provide you in under premium. Now, public folder resource mailboxes. This is a requirement of the customer. In that case also it is available in all the three plans, so you can take any one of the plans for this. Microsoft Shifts, again it is available in all three plans. Microsoft Booking, it is not available in basic, but it is available in standard and premium. Okay, moving next. Now we'll talk about a collaboration tool, chat, meetings, social, and calling. Right. So Microsoft Teams, it comes with this all these three plans, so you can take no worry about it. Live events, again it supports in all three plans. You can take it. Yammer is a social platform for organization. It you can this plan is available in all the this feature is available in all three plans. You can take any one of the plans. Now the phone system audio conferencing. So phone system audio conferencing is not available in basic, but in standard and premium you will get this option. So you can take this plan also. Now moving to storage. Storage is also critical piece because when you work on documentation, you want to keep your files to the OneDrive. Okay, so you can access that file from anywhere. So OneDrive storage is 1 TB available in all three plans. So it's very huge capacity. Again, under the project and task management, you can get Planner to do. So Planner to do is also available in all the three plans. No worry about it. Automation also is very important part. The Power Automate and Power Apps both are available in all three plans. Then analytics piece where you want to go with the my analytics, or even though there is a Power BI Pro. So Power BI Pro is not available for any of the plan, but analytics is available in all the three plans. Now, next about the MDM. So it covers your device management. It covers the application management as well. Under this plan, if you see the endpoint manager, application management, then Intune, Windows Autopilot, group policy support, share computer activation, all these features only available in premium. You will not get this feature into the standard and basic, but yes, you can take it separate. If you want to take this plan, there is a separate plan available for that also. Now going further, ATP, advanced threat protection. So here we are going to cover the antivirus, anti-malware, anti-spamming, your attachment scanning. Lot of stuffs are there. So this plan is very critical. Everybody look for this plan to protect their organization from malicious activity. In this case, the defender for endpoint, you have to take the plan one. Defender for Office 65, you have this plan under business. Then Windows Defender S. Okay, so this and Defender for endpoint and identity. So this is not available for under premium also. Only you can get if you want to go for Defender for endpoint, Office 65, and Windows Defender, then you can go with a premium. It is available over here. Okay. Now moving to next, identity and access management. So under this plan, other Active Directory Premium, right? This is available in premium. It is not available in business and standard. Conditional access, again it's a part of premium one only. So that is only available in premium, but not available in standard and basic. AD Sync SSO, it is available in all the three plans because this is required to sync your credentials from on-prem to cloud. Okay, in this case you require AD Connect. Okay, now they have changed to Intra ID Connect. Okay, so this is available over here. Windows Hello for businesses, again this is available only in business premium. Windows Advanced Threat Analytics, again it is available in premium only, not available in basic and standard. Moving next, information protection and governance. This is also available. This is also important to label your data or to find the data or save the data. Okay, so other information protection. So if you want to protect your information, then you can go with a premium. If you want to go, if you want to sensitive or sensitize your labels by manually or automatic way, then manual way is available in premium, but automatic way is not available in premium. Okay. Office 65 data loss prevention. This is also critical piece because data sensitivity is very critical piece. So a lot of people are asking for data loss prevention to prevent your data. So yes, it is available in premium by basic Office managed message encryption. This is also asked from the customer. So this is also available under the premium, but not available in basic and standard. Now e-discovery and auditing. So when you store a data, then you of course want to do a search, audit. Okay, so this kind of requirement is very normal from the customer point of view. So you only get content search, basic audit in all the three plans. And then if you go down, e-discovery advanced audit is not available in any plan, but litigation hold. Okay, this is available only in premium. This is also important piece, because as per the compliance, or as per the regulation, then you need to hold the data of the customer who left the organization, and you have to keep it for some time. So it's very important to have this kind of feature in your office, right? And last is the Windows 10 Enterprise. So in the Windows 10 Enterprise, you will not get this option in any plan. Now moving to the next type of group, you can say SLG or you can say Enterprise. Both are same. So now in this plan, if you see, normally we offers seven plans to customers, and it covers all the requirement. In this plan, we'll go again the same way. The Office 365 Enterprise, it covers 365 E1, E3 and E5. And for Microsoft 365, it contains F1. F1 stands for frontline workers. Then F3, E3 and E5. So E5 is the highest plan. It covers almost all the features. So if you see the pricing also, in the pricing section, you can see the E1 of Office 365. It contains, or it gives $10 per month. But if you move from left to the right, then up to the E5, it goes up to $57, okay, per user per month. So this is how the plan goes, right? So according to your requirement, you can take this plan or suggest the plan. But first we understand the features, what it offers you, and if that features suits your customer's need, then you can take that plan. So let's move on. Core details, maximum users. So I think there is no any capping here, that you only go with 300 or 400 users. It's unlimited. So there is no such capping, so that you can take, if your organization have any number of users, this plan is support. So now moving to the next, the Office Online. So Office Online, this feature is supported by all the plans. You can see uh, E1, E3, E5, F1, F3, E3, E5. Everybody supports it. So you can. There's no any challenge here. A desktop app, when you want to access your office documents in offline mode, then E3 will not support that, but E3 E5 will support. And similarly F1 F3 will not support, but E3 E5 will support. So you have to choose your plan. Customers specifically ask for it, then you can take this option. Then mobile app, you want to access this your document and mails through mobile, then everybody support it. So there is no such challenge over here. Now putting using this app more than or up to 5 PC, you can say 5 PCs, tablets and smartphones. So I can see uh, all the plans supports except F1. F1 will not require these plans, that's why it doesn't support. But otherwise other all the plans are supported. Okay. Airtel Premium, again this option is not available in E3, similarly in F1 F3, but other plans will support it. Exchange email, it is an interesting one, because you have to understand this. Exchange emails, you can see 50 GB mailbox you will get in E1, 100 GB and 100 GB will get in E3 E5 under Office Enterprise. If you move ahead with the F1, it will not support. F1 is frontline worker, they don't require this kind of mailbox. F3 also will not support it. So but it up to 2 GB is okay. Then up to again go to E3 E5, 100 GB is a max. So you can take any plan, you will get up to 100 GB of disk space, or 100 GB of mailbox space over here. Okay. Archiving may change. In archiving also, you can see the 50 GB in E1, 1.4 terabyte, 1.4 terabyte in E3, E5. F1, F3, you don't require the archiving. Again, in E3, E5 of under Microsoft 365, you can get up 1.5 terabyte. So 1.5 terabyte is the max size for archiving your emails. Similarly, if you go to the next public folders, resource mailboxes, then the E3, E1, E3, and E5 of Office 365 will support it. Under Microsoft 365, E3 and E5 support, but F1, F3 will not require that also. So that's why they haven't given this plan. Microsoft Shifts, again, it's supported by all the plans. no change here. Microsoft Booking, your E1 will not support, but E3, E5 will support. Similarly, E3, E5 will support that. F1, F3 is not required here. Under collaboration, you can see Microsoft Teams supported by all the plans. Okay, so you will get it by default. Live events, maybe F1, F3 will not require, but other will require. So that's why they are given this plan for all the remaining plans. Yammer, your organization social platform, again it is supported by all the plans because it's required to communicate. And then a phone system audio. So this is again the system plan will not support by ETH1 of the Office 65 and F1 F3 of Microsoft 365. The storage capability also get changed if you move ahead. So if you can see the E1 of Office 365 only give you 1 terabyte of space, but E3 E5 will give you 5 terabyte of space. If you go with the F1 F3, it will only give 2 GB, but in E3 E5 again it will go to 5 terabyte. So 5 terabyte is the maximum size you will get in OneDrive storage to store your data. Again, under the planner, project and task management, planner and to do. So planner will supported by all the plans. So no change here. To do will supported by all the plans except F1. Under automation, where you are going to use automate and power app, here it is being supported by all the plans, so no change here. Analytics, my analytics is supported by all the plans. Power BI, I think it's very important to visualize your data. So this Power BI Pro will be supported by E5 of Office 365 and E5 of Microsoft 365. Now, we'll talk about MDM, mobile device management and mobile application management. Right, in this plan, you can see in these plans, even the Intune, mobile Windows Autopilot, group policy support, a shared computer activation. So this plan is not available in any plan in Office 65. Even E3 E5 doesn't support that. But if you go to Microsoft 365, then you have to take E3 and E5 only to cover all the features of mobile device and app, right? If F1 F3 is also supported but limited capacity, you can see for endpoint manager application management supported by the F1 and F3. Okay, Intune will support it only by the F1 F3, but in that Windows Autopilot only support by F3, not by F1. Okay, so you have to take this plan according to your requirement. And moving next, ATP, Advanced Threat Protection. Advanced Threat Protection again is required because Windows Defender will come here. The Defender services will supported by supported to endpoint, Office 65, cloud apps, endpoint. So you can see this plan. You if you want to take this plan, then this plan is very limited. The Microsoft Defender for endpoint only supported by E3 and E5 of Microsoft 365. So you have to take this plan. Again, it contains plan 1, plan 2. Plan 1 is the basic one, plan 2 is the advanced one. Similarly, Microsoft Defender for Office 65, so it is only supported by E5 plans. Okay, in Office 365 and Microsoft 365. Similarly, Windows Defender only supported by Microsoft 365 plans, be it F1, F3, E3, E5. And then the last one, Defender for Endpoint and Identity. So this plan is only supported by E5 of Microsoft 365. Other one will not support this. Moving next. So under the entity access management, you can see Active Directory premium and conditional access is not supported by E3, E1, E3, and E5, but is supported by Microsoft 365 any plan, right? F1, F3, E3, and E5. Additional access also comes similar way. It's supported by all the plans of Microsoft 365. Anything for SSO, it is very much required because you need to sync the credentials from on-prem to cloud. So it is supported by all the plans. You have to take this plan. Windows Hello for Business, again, it is not supported by any plan of the Office 65, but supported by Microsoft 365. Windows Advanced Streetport Analytics, again, not supported by any plan of Office 365, but supported by Microsoft 365. So you have to take this plan according to your requirement. Moving next about information protection and governance. Again, it is very important to protect your data. So in this plan also you can see the other information protection. It is supported by E3 and E5 of Office 365, but not supported by E1. So E1 is not supported for any in any plan, right? If any feature is not supported by E1, other information protection, manual sensitivity label, automatic sensitivity label, Office 365 data loss prevention, basic Office message encryption. It is not available by E1, but you can see that in E3, E5 you can get this plan. So even though if you take with the Microsoft other information protection manual sensitivity labels, so it is supported by all the plans except E1. Then automatic sensitivity label, it is only supported by E5 of Microsoft 365. Office 365 data loss prevention is only supported by E3, E5 of Office 365 and Microsoft 365. Similarly, basic Office message encryption only supported by E3 and E5 of Office 365 and Microsoft 365. Now moving to next, e-discovery and auditing. In e-discovery auditing, you have to do the discovery of your data. So in this case, the content search basic audit is supported by all the plans. E-discovery only supported by E3, E5 of Office 365 and Microsoft 365. Advanced e-discovery and advanced audit is only supported by E5 of Office 365 and Microsoft 365. Litigation hold, again, it is very critical feature that is supported only by E3, E5 and E3, E5 of Microsoft 365. Right now, the last one, which is very much required in some cases where you looking for Windows 10, 11 enterprise licenses. So this is only supported in F3, E3, and E5 of Microsoft 365. Okay, so this is all very high level features which I have tried to cover in this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Do comments, likes to this video as well, like you do in other videos. Thank you very much.